Tomato sauce without garlic, very easy to make. Dr. John A. Allocca. September 7, 25. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Poochy. See recipe in the comment section. Ingredients. Use organic ingredients where possible. 4 to 5 whole tomatoes. 1 bunch of fresh basil, chopped. 1 tablespoon oregano. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, optional. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, optional. 1 tablespoon butter, optional. Cut the tomatoes in half. Remove the stem. Cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces to fit into the blender. Blend until smooth. In an 6-quart pot, add all of the ingredients. Cook at low to medium heat until the sauce thickens. Stir occasionally. Makes approximately 45 ounces of sauce. Chef Poochy and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on essential health, a journey to total mind-body wellness.